Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to sign in to Peacock Premium with the Xfinity, then this video is for you. So if you are a new user or existing Xfinity internet customers who subscribe to Gigabyte or highest speed service, then you are eligible for get this offer that you can receive Peacock Premium at no additional cost for 2 years. So if you get that offer, or if you are on diamond or platinum tier Xfinity rewards member with any level of Xfinity internet, then you can redeem your reward to receive Peacock Premium at no additional cost. Also, if you are now TV customers on Xfinity, then you can receive the Peacock Premium included as part of your service. So make sure that if you are not if you are on silver or gold tier in Xfinity rewards, customers are eligible to redeem the offer. So make sure that you have fulfilled the criteria. Then after fulfill the criteria, or if you have the gigabyte or higher speed service, then you are eligible for get this offer. So then you have to do is you have to go to the xfinity.com/your subscriptions. You can simply click on it, and there you have to log in or sign into your Xfinity account here using your email, mobile, or username. Then enter your password, and you can find your all the subscription and also the Peacock free subscription for 2 years without any type of additional cost. Also, if you can find this Peacock subscription listed in this page, you can do is you can go to the xfinity.com/activate Peacock. You can directly go to this page, and you can search with this URL here, and then you have to simply log into your account using your credentials, and you can easily activate your Peacock Premium package or service for free in Xfinity. The only thing then you can find that link to activate your account, then you can create an account or get started, or you can find that it has just redirect you to the Peacock official website where you can create a premium account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.